Guys, it's Chriso. I'm just working my way out now. That line there is the edge of the shower. That's where the two glass screens are going there. It's a walk-in, no door, none of that. Here I had my glue a little bit stiffer because I wanted to keep it flush with that linear drain. I didn't want it to sink or anything like that, so I mixed the glue a little bit stiffer. I thought ahead. Things can sink slightly if your glue's too soft, so keep an eye on that, DIYs, if you're doing the same sort of shower. Here is my join, because it's sloping down that way and then it's coming up flat, so I break its back. What's that? That's that one. Need a wedgie or need a clip. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. I don't use a rubber mallet a lot, but they say if you tap it like that into position, it can get rid of the air bubbles and stuff like that. When I used to lay on mud, I'd always tap it. But that's old school, and you change a bit as you go. As time goes on. There's not much bedding of tiles these days. I used to a lot when I laid marble, but there's hardly any of that now. But that was even before clips came out. Clips are just like a godsend for a lot of tilers. They sure help. Right, that one is that one. So we'll go for a nice joint. Tap it into place. I know it's not going to sink because my glue is pretty stiff. Okay, so you just check your flatness of it, and we're fine there. The way to do that is tilt your, I hope the camera can see it, but when you're checking for flatness, tilt your level over, so you're just seeing that edge. like that. See the bubble? So it's a good 15-16 mil easy. Right, so my level is level there, people. So that's a beautiful fall. When the showers are going, your water will probably only come to about where my finger is, I'd say, at the most. Which is always nice. I love a large shower, I really do. You can't beat a large shower. When I used to employ a lot of people and I did a lot of townhouses and units and that sort of thing, the showers were always very small, and you know, when they fit the screens and you're washing your feet, well, you'd have to open the door, stick your bum out. The showers were that small. Anyway, I stay away from all that sort of thing now. This is my little piece of paradise up here in the hinterland. It gets a bit cold though in the winter. So it'll be an early day today. I'll zap that. Once I've cut that waste, it's just a nice straight lay. Early day today. Throw in some clips. Beautiful. Put a bit more there. Wrong way, creosote. Nice. And now we're set to go. Okay, I'll come back to you soon when I'm starting to cut that waste in. Yo, subscribe people. This is how you do a lovely bathroom floor, an ensuite floor. Beautiful. It's going to be it's a different tile on the walls, and I'll be starting that tomorrow. Yo!